Want to use your AirPods Pro 3 with your Windows 11 or 10 laptop? It's doable via Bluetooth. First, ensure your laptop's Bluetooth is on. Open your AirPods Pro 3 case near the laptop. If they don't pop up, press and hold the setup button on the case until the LED flashes white. Then, on your laptop, select Add Bluetooth or other device and choose your AirPods. Confirm the pairing code if asked, and set them as your default audio device. Windows 11 offers better Bluetooth stability, especially with the latest updates. Experiencing issues? Interference from Wi-Fi or outdated drivers are common culprits. Update Windows and your Bluetooth drivers through Device Manager or Windows Update. Reset your AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, and holding the setup button for 15 seconds. For better audio quality, enable the AAC codec in your device settings. Remember, some Apple-specific features won't work natively on Windows, but tools like iCloud for Windows can help bridge the gap.